I got another new carnivorous plants. This time I purchased Nepenthes reticulata. I was so happy when I found this one. It was the first thing I picked up. I have the common Nepenthes elata. As the name suggests, this Nepenthes has red leaves and insect pouch. Now I will repot Nepenthes reticulata. Remove the Nepenthes from the container. Wash away old soil with water. Remove any dead parts here. It came off nicely. Use only Carnivorous soil for replanting. Put some Carnivorous soil in the flower pot. Hold Nepenthes with one hand. Put Carnivorous soil so as to bury the roots. Put Carnivorous soil so that there are no gaps. Sprinkle water until the brown water becomes clear. The water has become clear. Replanting of Nepenthes is finished. Replanting of Nepenthes is finished. I will make a video of Nepenthes reticula's growth in the future. Please subscribe to my channel if you are interested. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a high rating. It will encourage me. Thank you for watching.